Let's work through an example of calculating positive slope using a graph. Use the graph to solve for the slope of the line. First, identify two ordered pairs on the graph. One ordered pair is 0, 20. Another ordered pair is 4, 80. Next, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 80 subtract 20 divided by 4 subtract 0. Last, solve for the slope. 80 subtract 20 equals 60. 4 subtract 0 equals 4. 60 divided by 4 equals 15. The slope of this line equals $15 per hour. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.